In this lesson, I'm going to talk about circle and triangle. The question is, ABC is a triangle. Triangle ABC inscribed in a circle. O is the center of the circle. AB is 32, AC is 45, and the angle A is 80 degrees. The question asks for what is the radius of the circle. Now, let us to solve this problem. We are going to use a formula. Because the triangle ABC is inscribed on the circle, so 3 points A, B, C are on the circle. So the radius of the circle and the triangle has a relation. 2 times R. R is the radius of the circle, equals to A divided by sine A equals to B divided by sine B equals to C divided by sine C, in which A is the side opposite the angle A. So the angle A opposite BC is A. So A equals to BC, which is unknown. B opposite the angle B. So angle B opposite this B equals to AC equals to 45. C opposite the angle C. So C equals to 32. Because we are given the angle A is 80 degrees, so we are going to use the formula 2 times R. R is radius equals to A divided by sine A. Now we are going to find the BC. To find the BC, we are going to use the cosine law. BC opposite the angle A. BC. So we are going to use the cosine law. This is use the formula A square equals to B square plus C square subtract 2 times B times C times cosine A. So this is A is BC square equals to AB square plus AC square subtract 2 times AB times AC times cosine A, which equals to AB is 32 square plus AC is 45 square subtract 2 times AB is 32 times AC is 45 times cosine A. Angle A is 80 degrees. This equals to 2549.03. So BC equals to 50.5. Now we get the BC is A. So Now we get r is radius of the circle equals to a is BC divided by 2 times sine A. So BC is 50.5 divided by 2 times sine 80 degree. This equals to 25.63. Now we get the radius of the circle is 25.63. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, please hit the subscription button. Thank you for watching.